Now to the financial markets and the plunge on Wall Street. Investors unloaded after markets overseas suffered. The Dow dropped more than 400 points in early trading, but did recover to end with 276 points dropped. The Nasdaq fell 104 and the S&P lost 31. CBS 2's Alice Gaynor joins us from the newsroom with more. Alice?
Christine, at one point today, the Dow was down more than 460 points. According to Dow Jones data, this is the worst start to a year since 2008. Stocks here in the U.S. fell after China's stock market plunged on its first day of trading for the year, triggering an emergency trading suspension.
The closing bell capping off a rocky start to the new year.
It's a little unusual for us to have this much volatility the first day of the year.
The Dow fell 467 points at one point. Investors mostly blame what happened in China. Trading in China was automatically suspended after falling 7%. Markets all over Asia and in Europe then dropped sharply. The halt was China's first ever use of circuit breakers.
China has new rules in place so that if they have a big drop, they have what's called a circuit breaker, and the market stops trading, takes a breather so that people can get their thoughts together and go back in, hopefully with a level head. That happened at a 5% drop. They took a 15-minute break, and when they opened up, the market just continued to fall further. So after it fell 7%, they just closed the stock market in China.
Investors were reacting to disappointing data showing that manufacturing in China slowed down for a fifth straight month. But financial experts say it is important to stay calm.
If you're the general public, you should go out to lunch, have a cold beer and a sandwich, and not worry about it.
Circuit breakers are already used on major markets in the U.S. and elsewhere, and China wasn't the only worry rattling traders. Also, escalating tensions between Iran and Saudi Arabia have raised concerns about oil prices. Live in the newsroom, Alice Gaynor, CBS 2 News.
Alice, thank you. Saudi Arabia